Today we learn about angles and its various types. Angles are various types. Okay, so we learn about it. I am Rishikesh Karngeti. I am studying class 5th E today. I am telling you what is angle. An angle is a figure made by two rays meeting a common point. This common point is called vertex and rays are called the arms of the side. You see in the white page that two rays meeting at the point. This point is known as vertex and two rays arms. Okay, and make an angle. Okay, the short definition is an angle is a figure made by two rays meeting at a common point. It is called angle. It is very easy. So today we learn about angle and its various types. Okay, so you can view it properly. This okay. You can learn it in geometry also. It is a part of geometry. Okay, yes. Types of angles. First, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle and complete angle. There are 6 types of angle: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle and complete angle. Okay, it is very important. Okay, types of angle. We learn about these all angles. Okay, types of angle. What is acute angle? Definition: an angle has measures less than 90 and more than 0 is called acute angle. You can see that 62, it is less than 90 and more than 0. Okay, it is acute angle. You should draw an angle with protractor. Okay, you see in this. Right angle. Definition: an angle has measures equals to 90 degree is called right angle. You see it is equal to 90 degree. Right angle. An angle has measures equals to 90 degrees called right angle. It is very easy. Okay, you see ABC 90 degree. Okay, it is 90 degree. The angle is 90 degree. Obtuse angle. Definition: an angle is measures more than 90 degree and less than 180 degrees called obtuse angle. You see it in this white page that X, Y, Z, they make an angle of 120 degree. It is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Okay, obtuse angle. You can learn it very carefully. Okay, you see in the different colors that it is the same semicircle. It is an angle. Okay, now straight angle. Definition: an angle as measures equals to 180 degrees called straight angle. It is straight like straight line, vertical lines. Okay, horizontal line like, okay, 180 degree. An angle as measures equals to 180 degree is called straight angle. Okay, you can learn it very properly. They make an angle of 180 degree. Reflex angle. Definition: an angle as measures more than 180 degree and less than 360 degrees called reflex angle. You can see it in the white page that they make 225 degree angle. It is less than 360 degree and more than 180 degree. Okay. Okay, yes. they make an angle. Now complete angle. Definition: an angle as measures equals to 360 degrees called complete angle. It is the complete angle. Okay, 360 degree. They make an angle of 360 degree.